Comrade Jomari Satura, Temeke Municipal Director. Delegates from GPE and Malala Fund. Delegates from Ministry of Education, Science and Technology and President's Office, Regional Administration and Local Government. Delegates from Dar es Salaam Regional. Delegates from Local Government Authorities. Mr. Juma Boniface Orenda, Head of School at Kibasila Secondary School. Education stakeholders, parents, media team, teachers and students, ladies and gentlemen, Jamhuri ya Muungano wa Tanzania, Honorable Chairman of GPE, Malala Fund, invited guests, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Joy Mbuntu, a Form 3 student at Kibasila Secondary School. I feel more obliged and honored before you as a proud student from Tanzania, a country where education is a key to unlocking dreams, changing lives, and shaping our future. Honorable Chairman of GPE, Malala Fund, invited guests, ladies and gentlemen. At this moment, I thank the government of Tanzania, which is led by Honorable Dr. Samia Suluhu Hassan, Jakaya Kikwete Foundation, and my school management, who have done a lot to make it possible for the students like me to be here in school, learning, dreaming, and growing without obstacles. Asanteni. Honorable Chairman of GPE, Malala Fund, invited guests, ladies and gentlemen. Today, we are deeply inspired by the story of Malala Yousafzai, who stood up for the right for education, even in the face of danger. Her courage reminds us that education is not just a privilege, it's a right. She proved to the world that a voice, no matter how young, can make a difference. And now, because of her, many girls in the world, including Tanzania, are raising their voices too. Honorable Chairman of GPE, Malala Fund, invited guests, ladies and gentlemen. We are also proud of the role played by our champion, Dr. Jakaya Kikwete, and the Chairman of Global Partnership for Education, who has played a great role in championing education, not just in Tanzania, but also across Africa and the world. Your leadership with the Global Partnership for Education has brought more classrooms, more teachers, and more opportunities to students everywhere. We are grateful for your commitment to make sure that every student, every child, especially girls, can now go to school and complete their education. Honorable Chairman of GPE, Malala Fund, invited guests, ladies and gentlemen. And to the GPE, Jakaya Kikwete Foundation, and Malala Fund, we say Asanteni Sana. The support that you have given to us has helped our nation to build more schools, train more teachers, and reach more children in remote areas. You are helpful in turning our dreams into reality. I, as a girl from Kibasila, the school and government first have done a lot for me. I would like to mention a few. In the program of Tanzania, Girls in ICT, and I ranked #1 in the national level. I am also doing better in science subjects, representing girls at Kibasila and Temeke district. Last but not the least, I am also an active member of the environmental club run by girls at Kibasila Secondary. So because of all of this, I believe that my future is bright. So is the future of every child in Tanzania. And together we can prove to the world that when you educate a girl, you have changed the world. Thank you for listening. Karibuni Kibasila Secondary, karibuni Tanzania. May God bless you.
Ili kuwa mwanafamilia bora wa Global TV, usisahau kusubscribe, like, kushare na kucomment. Baada ya kusubscribe, bonyeza alama ya kengele ili kupata taarifa kwa kila video inayopanda Global TV Online.